The Jewish Kabbalah is a set of esoteric teaching explaining the relation between God and us, God and mortal beings. So towards the end of this session, maybe you'll be able to connect the dots. Okay, so I'll be talking of a single pole first, then introduce you to the other pole, and then we'll connect the dipole. That's the approach of the session today. So our understanding today is going to be how is theology or mythology connected to psychology, and how they both are interconnected or interrelated towards each other. So we believe in karma. It's a projection. It's our story. And therefore we create this concept of heaven and hell, and therefore we create our God. Our existence in the Abrahamic tradition is written, and then you'll realize that all traditions follow the same thing, but I'm going to explicitly talk of the Lurian Kabbalah. The existence is predicated on the fact that we all die. That's the proof of existence. If anything is existing, the proof is we will die. So there is order and chaos. The chaos is because nature flourishes, it is prolific and it is chaotic. That's nature. It's not static. Nature is becoming all the time. Theological question, which says, why God, so loving, so merciful, so graceful, wanted evil to exist in this world? See, that evil is our projection. It's our shadow. So why this good businessman, who's very successful, very philanthropic, is beating his wife? Why that priest is visiting prostitutes? Why that motivational speaker is thrashing his children blue and black? Why? The question is, why God, so loving, allows evil to exist in this world? This Jewish idea, which is like a Zen koan, which talks of God as omniscient and omnipresent and omnipotent, classic attributes of life. Maybe that is true. It's like a perfect story. But the characters are not perfect. These classic attributes of God. So what does this God lack? What does this God not have, who is omniscient, omnipresent, and omnipotent? What powerful, miraculous, where all things are possible. What is lacking in this God? This God misses something. You know what this God misses? This God misses limitations. The Kabbalists themselves recognize the cosmic drama to be a metaphor for deeper theological and psychological events. If we examine the metaphor from a deeper contemporary psychological perspective, we discover it to be strikingly psychoanalytic in nature. The metaphors of Lurian Kabbalah and psychoanalysis are very similar. Life is predicated on death. If it's alive, it will die. Death is predicated on life, is a friend of being. They walk together. At some point in time, death will raise being, and death continues its journey, and a new being is formed.